Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about super 30 points of physiology. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. First point is crude touch are C fibers, deep pressure A beta, each C fibers. Next point, nerve fiber to extrafusal nerve fiber is A alpha. Nerve fiber to intrafusal nerve fiber is A gamma. Myasthenia gravis is due to acetylcholine receptor absence. Most accurate for extracellular fluid estimation is inulin. Most frequently used for total body water estimation is D2O. Number of osmoles of solute per kg of solvent is osmolality. Maximum contribution to plasma osmolality is sodium and its associated anions. Protein exerting max to oncotic pressure is albumin. Resting membrane potential of RBC is minus 10 millivolt. Action potential in a sensory neuron arises in initial node of Ranvier. A neuron is least excitable during depolarization. Lesser is the chronexia, more is the tissue excitability. Myelin is produced from Schwann cells in peripheral nervous system and oligodendrocytes in CNS. Fastest conducting sensation is A alpha, which is proprioception. Fine touch are A beta fibers. Ion contributing maximum to resting membrane potential is potassium. Blood-brain barrier is a tight junction which formed by astrocytes. Connexon mutation which leads to Charcot-Marie tooth disease. Absorption of bile salts is by distal ileum. Absorption of weak acids is by stomach. Clotting is an example of positive feedback mechanism. Next point is alcohol absorption starts in stomach. Alcohol maximally absorbed in jejunum. Maximum water absorption by jejunum over colon. Maximum potassium secreted by salivary gland. Maximum potassium concentration in colonic fluid. Anatomic dead space is measured by Fowler's technique. Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology was awarded for discoveries of mechanisms of autophagy. Largest nucleus of cerebellum dentate. Location of hunger center is lateral hypothalamus. Thirst center is lateral hypothalamus. Rage center is lateral hypothalamus. Satiety center is ventromedial hypothalamus. Most potent direct stimulus for central chemoreceptors is H positive ion. Phantom limb is law of projection. Pain, temperature, and sensation are carried by lateral spinothalamic tract. SA node is a pacemaker because of highest rate of discharge. Organ with maximum blood flow per minute is liver. Organ with maximum oxygen consumption per minute is liver. Circadian rhythm is suprachiasmatic nucleus. Most important function of cerebellum is coordination. Double Bohr effect is done by placenta. Most important intercellular buffers are proteins. Lining epithelium of ventricles of brain is ependyma. Total body water is 60% of body weight. Length tension relationship follows Frank-Starling law. Excretion, filtration minus reabsorption plus secretion. Hyperaldosteronism can never cause acidosis. Basal electrical rhythm is not responsible for contraction. Maximum calcium absorption is done in jejunum. Maximum vitamin B12 absorption is done by distal ileum. Routine spirometry cannot measure residual volume, functional residual capacity, and total lung capacity. Arterial oxygen tension is maximum at apex. Surfactant is secreted by type 2 pneumocytes. Chemical composition of surfactant is dipalmitoyl phosphatidylcholine. Function of surfactant is decrease surface tension. On forceful expiration, the alveoli at base will collapse first.